University Challenge viewers were left divided over Jeremy Paxman's replacement, with many taking to social media to share their thoughts. The quiz show saw Trinity College, Cambridge, facing the University of Manchester for a place in the second round. Opening the program for the first time, a mole said, "Hello, welcome to a new series and a new era of University Challenge. A few things have changed since the end of the last series, but all the important things remain the same. The format is still simple, the questions are still complicated and the teams are still terrifyingly knowledgeable." Wimbledon champion Alcaraz in clumsy TV gaffe as fans praise Claire Balding's snub. Latest, following the episode, fans took to Twitter in droves to share their thoughts about the new host. And while some loved seeing a fresh face fronting the show, others weren't so pleased. At Birdie4306 admitted, "I was nervous watching this without Paxo in charge. Needn't have been at Amil Rajan was excellent. A real breath of fresh air." #University Challenge. At MyRealm123 disagreed, new presenter Amol Rajan speaks too quickly, mumbles. Also he does not look at the contestants as he is reading off a computer screen. The question cards are essential. #University Challenge. Sick, don't miss. Jeremy Paxman bids farewell to University Challenge after Parkinson's diagnosis. Video, Jeremy Paxman puts on brave face as he's pictured using KNAT Awards, Insight, University Challenge in elitism row over rigged entry rules. Latest, at Littler for Echoed, at Amil Rajan please slow down with the questions and wait until the audience has stopped clapping before you ask another question, otherwise okay. At Miss LSW added, #University Challenge without Jeremy Paxman feels so wrong. While at Sylvia39474255 shared, "Sorry but I'm really missing Paxman. This is not working for me. I miss Jeremy Paxman already." #University Challenge, at Tvandfilmsuk tweeted. Amol also took to social media to thank viewers for tuning in, telling them he would take the criticism on board. He wrote on Twitter, "Thanks so much for all the kind, thoughtful or constructive feedback about my first episode of #University Challenge. I really appreciate it, and will discuss with the team." Sick, at Lindis Weidenbank was quick to reply, "Very enjoyable. And for the first time I achieved double digits with my answers." At Maichan_Claire praised, "You were fab. Tough shoes to step into. Can't believe you had a tie-break situational on day one." University Challenge is available to watch on BBC iPlayer.
Now take